Hello children, today I am going to paint fish. First I take turquoise color to paint the sky. Then I select blue color to paint the sea. Then I select red color to paint the fish. Then I select the yellow color to paint the body of the small fish, face of the medium fish and the tail of the big fish. With orange color, I paint the body of the medium fish, face of the big fish. With the pink color, I paint the left part of the all fishes. Now the color is done. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.